Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Elite Expertise. So Elite Expertise is a platform that helps all the overseas pharmacists to clear their Australian licensing examination. And I'm Arif Mohammed. I'm one of the directors and lecturers at Elite Expertise, and currently I'm working as a clinical pharmacist at Northern Health Hospital in Melbourne. So today I'm glad to announce that we received our November batch KAPS examination results, and Elite Expertise once again has received a massive success rate of 94%. So total 99 students have passed in November batch from Elite Expertise. And today I'm so happy that one of our students, Subash, is with us. So Subash is one of our students at Elite Expertise, and Subash has cleared his KAPS examination in his first attempt. So let us know more from Subash that what strategies he followed and how he has prepared for his KAPS examination. So hi Subash, how are you? And first of all, congratulations.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
How do you feel, Subash?
Sir, I feel so much overwhelmed that I cleared my CAPS exam in the first attempt, and
Yeah.
it wouldn't be possible without the help of you and ma'am and the Elite Expertise whole team, sir. It's because all of your hard work and everything you taught. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Subash, first of all, can we know about yourself, like from which city are you from, and when did you finish your Bachelor of Pharmacy and so on, please?
Yes, sir. Once again, my name is Subash Wagle, and I am from Viratnagar, which is the eastern part of Nepal.
Okay,
I have completed my bachelor's degree in pharmacy from Tribhuvan University from Nepal itself in 2019, back in 2019. And
2019.
then I joined the as a medical rep in one of the Nepalese company itself.
Okay,
I worked for 1.5 years as a medical rep in Nepalese company. And then again, I moved my career into multinational company as a medical rep at Sun Pharma. I worked there 1.5 years.
okay,
And then now currently I am working as a pharmacist, as a retail pharmacist in one of the INGO, which is known as Gorkha Welfare Trust, which is a UK-based INGO, and I'm working as a clinical pharmacist.
clinical pharmacy
Yes.
opposite. Yeah, that's very good. And Subash, may I know like how many months that you have prepared for this CAPS examination?
Yes, sir. Regarding my CAPS journey, I joined Elite Expertise nearly after the result, which was published of July batch.
Okay,
Nearly about 4 months. Is it? Four
okay,
months I prepared, but yeah.
okay. So how did you prepare? Like what strategies that you have followed? Like every day, how many hours that you have spent for your preparation and so on, please?
Yes, sir. Regarding my preparation, initially when I joined, I just gave 2 or 3 hours just listening to the lectures,
Okay,
and then later when there was 1 or 2 months left, and then I rapidly gave my preparation for more than 10 hours, 12 hours, or even 13, 14 hours per day also, sir. And the
okay.
main strategy that I applied was firstly what I did was I printed all of the hands out which you get,
Yeah.
and then the preparing the notes by on was so much time consuming. So what I did was whenever you taught the lectures, I used to highlight the key points on the handout itself,
Yeah.
and then prepare on-site note so that which helped me a lot to get the final revision, the chapter-wise revision as well at the
Yeah.
last moment of the exam as well, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. And Subhash,
And also it
yeah,
helped me a lot the assignment. Yeah,
yeah.
all the assignments which you gave, sir, and then the mock, everything helped a lot. I think without your help and without ma'am's guidance, it would be really impossible to crack the exam in the first attempt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, because of the vast syllabus, the syllabus is too vast, and there are a lot of topics which are involved need to cover. So it becomes much difficult for anyone to prepare by themselves. Okay, so exactly like if you have a proper guidance and if you have everything like proper mocks and so on, it becomes much easy for clearing this CAPS examination. Okay. And the other thing is assignments. So, like for your batch, we have started giving the assignments. So we did a lot of assignments for you. And how did these assignments they help you, Subhash?
Yes, sir. The chapter-wise assignment which you gave for CNS and then CVS, the chapter-wise assignment, which
Yeah,
helped me a lot to revise the whole chapter in a one go. Yeah,
exactly.
in
Yeah,
one go. You made such a concise questions that when we recall the questions, we get the exact concept that what was it related to. So we
exactly.
just not read to we just not need to follow the lectures also. So
Yeah,
if you read the hands-out and the assignments, it would be enough for
yeah.
last hour preparation.
Exactly. So the assignments that we prepared is completely based on the important things which are required for the whole system. Like for the complete cardiovascular system, like it takes around 15 or 20 hours to go through all the recorded videos. Okay. But if you can go with these assignments, all the important points will get covered in just in 50 questions or 50 or 60, hardly 50 or 60 questions. Okay. So that's
Yes,
one
sir.
of the best things that like all the students that they are doing, they are trying to practice from last batch, that is from your batch, Subash. Okay. And Subash, finally, like how strongly do you recommend Elite Expertise to all your friends, and why do you want to recommend Elite Expertise?
Yes, sir. From the day one when I joined Elite Expertise, I felt that it was more than a coaching institute. I
Oh,
felt like your guidance and ma'am's and even Rekha's guidance, it was so much like a friend or even a family.
yeah.
So there is nothing to complain about Elite Expertise. I highly and strongly recommend Elite Expertise to everyone who want to pursue their CAPS journey in their first go. So there is no there is no complaint about Elite Expertise at all, sir.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Subash. And like, yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for that. And any message for your future CAPS aspirants?
Regarding future CAPS aspirant, what I suggest is first get a best coaching institute like Elite Expertise, get their guidance, and then if you find the right institute to study, you can ace your CAPS journey in your first attempt. And I highly recommend joining the students who wants their CAPS journey to attempt in the first go. So please join Elite Expertise. I strongly recommend. I feel that I'm an ambassador for Elite Expertise for Nepal, sir. So I
Thank
after
you
I
so much.
passed
Yeah,
CAPS exam, so many friends of mine asked, and then I highly recommended that
yeah,
Join Elite Expertise, follow this suggestion and teamwork, and you'll achieve everything.
yeah. Thank you, Subhash. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time. And once again, congratulations. Congratulations for clearing your CAPS examination.
Thank
Okay.
you so much, sir.
So thank you, Subhash.
It would not be possible without you, sir, without you and ma'am. Especially
Thank you.
thank you so much, you and ma'am.